Good morning, beautiful. Good morning, beautiful peeps. Welcome back again to our channel. I just woke up like this. I'm tired. I'm Maya. And
I'm Mark. Hello.
so, are you guys had your breakfast already? This is my real hair. So that's why I'm always what do you call that? Put it up, tie it up because it's too humid and hot in here in the Philippines. So, samahan niyo po ako, magbe-breakfast pa po ako. So, I had my coffee left over yesterday. So, i-microwave ko na lang po to to continue na po na iinumin ko. Kasi sayang din naman, di ba? iBugs is real. My God. So, 30 seconds lang. Okay. So, after ng breakfast or brunch ko, maghuhugas again ng mga... So, guys, habang hinintay ko po yung pan na mainit kasi I'm going to cook fried rice, egg, and fried or dried fish. So, usap na tayo. So, how are you guys? I hope you're doing okay. Be safe always kasi ang weather ngayon is on and off. Hot, tapos ano na naman, uulan, init ang araw. So yeah, I hope guys you will subscribe our channel and click the notification bell para po ma-update po kayo sa mga bagong videos namin. Actually, we're just starting, so please bear with us, okay? And life update, yesterday, may job interview ako. So, hopefully, and I'm praying that ito na po yung bigay ni Lord, another chance. And I hope I will stay longer in this company. I hope they will hire me first. So, I have my short-term goal, long-term goal. So, yeah. So, start ko ako mag-fried rice. Tsaka, inano ko na naman ulit tong buhok ko kasi ang init-init na talaga. Tsaka hindi ako nakapag-supply. Pasensya na po. Tao lang po. Parang ang ganda ko dito.
What?
So, yeah. Anong ganap namin today? So, we will show you po yung how Mark will cook or make the dessert, Brazilian dessert, pineapple Brazilian dessert. So, check it out later, okay? So, there you are, Hershey and Mark from walking. Say hello, Hershey. Hello. She just pooped. Hello, everyone. Let's eat. This is my brunch, actually. I got up late because I edited our recent vlog that I uploaded. Dried fish danggit from Bantayan Island, Cebu. Chorizo de Cebu. Chorizo de Cebu. Butter fried rice. I forgot to put, nakalimutan kong lagyan ng garlic. And fried egg. Bon appetit. Sorry.
One part of the administration's wide
Here. Poor little Hershey. Lying down again. Hello, Hershey. Hershey, how are you? Sleepy again? Sleepyhead. Hershey. And these are for sale. Pre-love collection of Mark books. Useful books. Whoever wants to buy very cheap, only in peso, just put a comment or message me. Nyo guys, ang daan namin pinataasan para ng bukid or hill. Tama ba yan? Oh no! Grabe. Still early, tsaka Sabado. Traffic na traffic. Wala nang katapusang traffic to. Tingin na. As usual, my weekly routine. Bibili lang konting grocery para next week. Bumper to the bumper na naman na traffic. Nandito ako sa Marcelo Fernand Bridge, the second bridge here in our city. Kasi nag-restoration po sila ng daan. So, kaya ganito pa ang traffic. Waterworld Hotel. Pwede po kayo mag-check-in dyan.